just manage the things. Let's start with the So most common cause of anemia, as you all know, it's levels of iron in the body. This type of anemia is called iron deficiency anemia, as you all know. However, iron deficiency anemia is just one type. Vitamin B12, folic acid, vitamin C, zinc, protein deficiency are also the causing factor for the anemia. Eating well-balanced diet is very important. Sometimes nutrition supplement is needed for child to get back to normal RBC count, as told by Dr. Vajna as well. So what should we do? Like ma'am has also said, if we have a small baby, give your baby a formula with added iron, not the bovine milk. For young children, grains, cereals have added iron. For this study, we need to see the level as well. Okay. Lentils, instant oatmeal, spinach, whole wheat bread, peanut butter, brown rice, potatoes, beans, raisin, spinach, kale, beets. So many yellow and green vegetables. They all supply good amount of iron. Encourage your child to drink citrus and orange juices, as vitamin C in that available is going to increase the absorption of iron. That is a more important factor, because we take the proper iron amount but we are unable to absorb the iron. Correct? Foods like beets, garlic, apricots, almonds, broccoli, molasses, banana helps in prevention of anemia. Ma'am, can we approve this? Yeah. For those children who have inherited RBC condition, parents should talk to the pediatrics, hematologist to get proper education about your child's condition as well. Now, I would like to just make it interactive session. Can we ask with children or the parents what to choose, what to avoid? Can we interact with our participant over here? I'm just giving the screen. What you will feel like? Like if you get this option, what you will say? All the children can thumbs up in the chat box. I hope everyone will like the options. Am I audible to all? Yeah. So what about the kids? What you are saying about this? Definitely you are going to like this, right? But yeah, children, you can just give us thumbs up for that. all the person actually. That's why I'm suggesting actually you need to give the thumbs up. But I would like to suggest, being a dietitian, these are not that healthy options. We can just substitute these options. Then you will feel more wow, like this, isn't it? We can go for banana chips. We can go for even nachos. No problem in that. We can go with the sweet potato chips as well, by adding some more additional things like cheese. We can add on the broccolis, we can add the veggies, any type of seasoning you can add on. Correct? Am I right? All the children, you can just feel free to talk or free to just give your expressions. Yeah. Second, I'm just sharing here the biscuits. I think everyone whenever we see the Little Heart biscuit, even I just can't stop myself. Finish the whole just within a few minutes, right? Wafers or any type of things. But if we get some more good options instead of this, it will be helpful to get the more nutrients in a better way, like this. We can have cookies, we can have biscuits of multigrain with more of nuts and sprinkle on that, or we can say so many things we can add on, and by preparing it at home as well, or otherwise we can take it from the bakery as well. You can see in the corner side I have share a picture. Biscuit is there, and the smoothie, like a smooth mixture made by the yellow portion or yellow part of this egg, or you can prepare it with just blending your paneer. Just smooth it in the paste and just top it on your biscuits, and you can prepare the rings, these type of rings, with the honey as well, or you can prepare these rings with the cheese, whatever you like. So you can just keep on the changes in your diet, and definitely kids will love it. when you prepare these type of things, correct? Third thing I am just sharing here, this the multigrain breads or cakes type of things. You can opt. Everyone should like the this cakes or the pastries, but if you prefer multigrain cakes and bread, this is a better option. Here you can see, like, everyone should like the chocolate, isn't it? I think yes, it's really yummy. But we should select the options with the nuts chocolates or the dark chocolates. Or with the winters, yes, you can just select the different type of chickies. I've shared different pictures here. You can see colorful chickies with many of the ingredients, like peas are there, badam is also there, black sesame seed is there, plain sesame seed is there in the picture. Multigrain is also added in the picture. Even the rose petals have added. And with the multigrain, like you can, bajra seeds are there, jowar seeds are there in this chickies. So these type of things are available nowadays. You can just add on in your diet, correct? Now chicky. Okay, chicky is actually jaggery and the nuts. Nuts, we can say, like any type of nuts. Good and mixture of the nuts is prepared in the solid form. You can what to say, in the market you gajak, you can say, yes, you can, yes, gajak and chicky, everything is the same, like you can see in the picture as well, na, sesame seed chicky is there. Yeah, okay. So next is this, the parathas. Everyone should like in this winter. If you will have in the plate like puris or paratha with the butter, आलू का पराठा मिल जाए तो बात क्या है, करेक्ट ना आजकल? या है ना, मुंह में पानी आ गया होगा सभी लोगों के कि लाइक, है ना. बट लाइक you can see in the picture, like children love to eat with parathas with the sauces or with the chutney or with the butter. But here I can suggest, if you add on just a few of the dal or chole or chane with that, then it will be little bit better. Or I can suggest you a few more options to improve more of nutrition. Instead of plain roti, what you can do? You can add on multigrain rotis, right? You can add this bajra roti. I just want to ask to the question to my children. Just give me thumbs up if you are eating bajra roti or makka roti nowadays. Just give me a thumbs up. Are you? How many of you are eating? Yeah. Correct. Yes. Right? So you will love definitely, actually, when you take with buttermilk or with the palak saag or the sarson ka saag. This is the real wonderful winter season we are having, and this is the real right time to increase your anemia, improve your anemia level. You can just by eating these type of food, you can just increase your hemoglobin definitely. I'm just guarantee you people, if you are add on this type of food in your diet now, definitely you will add on your hemoglobin 1 or 2% definitely. Okay, here I have shared the paratha options, like you can add on in this aloo paratha. Even I have used aloo paratha as well, but you can, what you can do prepare as a this paratha roll, and you can add on any type of stuffing in that. Like children are not liking any type of vegetable, then you can just mix a dry vegetable stuff and just fill it in your paratha. Okay, or you can just make a green roti. You can see in the above slide portion of the slide, like I have shared this picture. You can add on any type of green leafy vegetable, abundantly available nowadays, like palak you can add on bathua, you can add on methi, you can even add on coriander leaves. Every green leafy vegetable is really rich in your iron as well as many minerals, correct? In a later picture, you can, like some kids also like, no, I want to have naan or kulcha type of thing. Then what you can do, you can prepare these things with the multigrain atta and add on paneer or soya bean chunks or tofu paneer, any type of stuffing in that. And you can take it with the chutney or something like. Now this is a really very liking slide. We can say the Maggi everyone should love. रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है, क्या खाएं, चलो 2 मिनट में मैगी बना ली जाए. Am I right? Yeah. You can see first one is the Hostel food, exactly. And my kids are there, 5th to 7th class. They also do love it. Okay, but I would like to say. So children, I'm just going to share here just a little bit idea what you can do with your Maggie. You can just add on lots of veggies in that. Correct. So you can enjoy your Maggie as well. Or otherwise, one more option is there. You can use vermicelli. Suji vermicelli is available in the market. You can use lots of vegetables, your nuts, your anything you can in that. And for same taste, yes, you can do la Maggi masala. You can add in that. Here I've used this a dry one. You can prepare it with the oats or anything, even with the dalia. But this vermicelli looks like your Maggi. So you can add on Maggi masala in that to just for the same taste. Okay. I think most of the children now love it. Okay. Here I have shared just a few ideas. And for the snacks, you can prepare paneer. Every children or even every person like the paneer. So you can take the vegetables and the paneer, prepare the tandoori platter for yourself at home, or you can just with the you can prepare it in the microwave oven or with the oven as well. Here in the first slide of first portion, you can see the beetroot palak I have used with the paneer. We have just just saute it and as much things as you can add on this. You can see prunes are also there. You can and this cashews are there. Anything, whatever you like of your taste, you can add on and prepare a but very beautiful and really nutritious this salad for yourself. Whenever you feel hungry, you can eat these type of things as well, right? So this is the thing. And one more thing I would like to suggest, like lemon. Lemon is really a very good thing to add on with the salad and with your food, because it contains lots of vitamin C that is going to increase your absorption level of iron, whatever you are eating with your food. Correct? Now I would like to share the tea and coffee. This is the winter season. I hope everyone should like it. Am I right? Here my one question is there. If you people can write down in the answer. How many of you are taking tea or coffee with your meals, like lunch and dinner? Please write down in the chat box if possible. How many of you? Ma'am, I can't see the chat box now. Can you please share so someone is writing? Yeah. So anyone is writing in the chat box? How many of you? Are you taking? No one? That's okay. Yes, okay. That's really good thing. But I would suggest try to avoid with the breakfast as well, because iron is not actually tannin is there in the tea and coffee that is going to not allow the absorption of iron. So if you are eating iron rich food, then you are not going to have this in a proper amount absorbed. So try to avoid with the meals, right? Okay. Now the next slide is, it's not moving, why? Yeah. Okay. Now one more question from my side. How many of you are using these type of vessels at your home? Just can you give me, raise your hands or give me a thumbs up? Like a aluminum utensil, Hindolium utensils, like especially the kadai and the tawa, correct? So I would like to suggest here, you can use the iron utensils for that, because iron content will be absorbed with the vegetables and it will increase the iron for your food. Okay. So I am just going to brief again what to choose, what not to choose. Like these all fruits you can see now available during the winters. All are having lots of especially the banana. It is having iron. Dates are having iron and other minerals like guava. And we have said about the vitamin C. It is helping in the absorption. So lemon should be included in your diet. Apricots. Can you please just mute yourself? Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So apricot, plums, figs, pomegranate, kiwi, melons are not available nowadays, but oranges are yes available. Strawberries, even the vegetables, all type of veggies containing the iron, folic acid. So do add on these in your diet. Yeah. All type of vegetables, especially these are cauliflower, radish, and I have said about fenugreek seeds, coriander, all methi, सरसों, धनिया, सब कुछ आपको खाना है बढ़िया से. This is a really very good season for all these things, right? For the non-vegetarian people, they can add on eggs as well and the meat. But for especially for the vegetarian people, they can add on the nuts. They can add on the milk products. But milk product should be milk product is for the proteins actually, not for the iron exactly. So don't take the milk product with the this your food as so add by Dr. Vajna as well in detail. Honey is also good source of antioxidants. So this is also very good. Gehu, yeah. Pulses, wheat, these all are the good source of proteins. Because when protein is not there, we can't make it our body strengthen. So protein is also required for the body. So apricots, prune, dried fruits, very good, rich in all the minerals and the iron as well. So you can just munch these type of things, right? Other food items, as you can see in the picture. So key point for treatment of anemia is consume at least 10 glasses of water daily. Take the balanced diet, proper sleep and adequate rest as well. Because when we are not taking the proper rest, our body is in stress. So it may decrease our efficiency to absorb the food, right? So practicing yoga exercises to maintain the fitness, anemia is largely classified into various categories. So avoid, especially just I would like to share one or two slide more. Sugar should be avoided, dessert should be avoided, cocoa should be avoided, white bread should be avoided. We can opt instead of sugar, we can take the gur or jaggery or the honey for the sweetener, or even we can have any type of good syrup, okay, maple syrup type of things also for the sweeteners. Other food item like I have already said, tea, coffee should be avoided, and brand should also be avoided because it is not going to, it is actually inhibit the absorption of this iron. Other beverages that contain tannic acid, I have already shared, like the tea and coffee should be avoided. Spicy food, tobacco and alcohol is for the adults. So this is not for you children. Okay. So try to avoid all these type of things in your diet. Any questions? Anything you would like, you can ask. Yeah.